Okay, co-pilots, today I'm going to work on this dryer board. Somebody tried to fix this one up. I'm going to take this solder out and this wire. Boom. We don't need this. Now I'm gonna remove this relay, this guy. I have something similar that should work here, but how many legs there is? 1, 2. It might work actually. It's 12 volt DC. The only thing is I will have to remove one leg here. This is a relay. It will go this way. But I might need to reorder one. I don't have the same exact one, but maybe I do. No. Okay, let's start by removing this relay. Okay guys, I'm back, and I'll try to remove this relay right now. I don't think I have the same relay. You know what? I have to order this relay. I thought it's so common. I forgot to order those relays. I have to order some of them so I have them in stock. But oh, I need it here. There you go. My fume guy that takes all the bad fumes. Okay, somebody put so much solder in here. That's crazy. Wow. So much. I might. No, I don't think I have one of those relays, unfortunately. It's not a big deal, but oh, why is it not coming out? It's too much solder. Come out already. Let's try with this little screwdriver. Push it out. Boom. I think it's out now. Yeah, I got it out. So yeah, I don't. Oh yeah, it's burned right here. Unfortunately, I don't have this relay, but it's not a big deal. I will order one and I'll get it done. But yeah, this is the bed relay, and the part number is G8P-184P-ACD. This is 12 volt DC and it's 200 volts relay, 30 amps, and as you can see right here, it's burned out. Once I replace this guy, the dryer control board, you can even see it right there, will be back and operational. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. The coil is between those two points. When I applied power, there's no clicking, so the relay is stuck. And then between this leg and this leg, you have always power. So this is the problem, and I have to order it, and that should be all good to go. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take care. Bye.